Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. For this tutorial here I am using two color of yarn. So let's get started and make it. First I am using purple color of yarn. Next we're gonna make slip knot. Just hold yarn like this. Here I am using 4mm of crochet hook. Just insert your hook into the yarn, wrap yarn around your finger, hold it with your thumb, yarn over and just pull it. You see clearly here we have first loop. Next we're gonna make chain on this loop. Insert your hook into the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. Make 2 times more. Just yarn over and pull it. Here my 5 chains complete. Now insert your hook into the first chain. Just insert your hook. Here we have 2 loops on hook. Yarn over and just pull it into 2 loops like this. Here you see we have a small circle. Next we're gonna make 5 chain on top. Yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it, and again yarn over, pull it. My 5 chains complete. Next we're gonna make double crochet stitches inside the circle. Yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops. Yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 2 more. Yarn over, insert your hook into the same chain below, yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here my 2 double crochet ready. Make 1 more. First pull it 2 and then again pull it 2. After making 3 double crochet we're gonna make chain 2 on top, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. After making 2 chain on top, again we're gonna make 3 double crochet into the circle, yarn over, insert your hook into the circle, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Next we're gonna make 2 more double crochet stitch inside the circle. After completing the total of 3 double crochet like this, here my 3 double crochet ready. We're gonna make 2 chain on top and then we will repeat 3 double crochet again into the circle. Just yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 1 more. Here my 3 corner complete. You see clearly first, second and third. Now last corner for making 2 chain, and in the last we're gonna make 2 double crochet first. Here is my first double crochet and here is my second double crochet. In the last we're gonna make 2 double crochet just because of first 5 chain. The first 3 chain will be counted as a first double crochet and 2 chains will be counted as a corner like this. You see clearly my 4 side of square complete. In the last we're gonna make chain 1, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors. Now pull the left of yarn tightly and secure your work. You see clearly my small square pattern is ready with 4 corners. Next we're going to join the yellow color on second row. Here I am using yellow color of yarn. You see clearly. In this pattern we're going to make first row is with purple color and second row is with yellow color. Now I am going to make second row. Just insert your hook into the first corner like here. You see clearly. Again hold yarn like this and make a slip knot. Just yarn over and pull it. Next we're gonna make 3 chain, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop, yarn over, pull it through the loop. In first corner we're gonna make 3 chain and then 2 double crochet more into the same corner. Here is my first. Now yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. This is the first corner part, like half part with 3 double crochet. For the next corner we're gonna make 2 chain on top after 3 double crochet and then we're gonna make 3 double crochet into the next corner. Just insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 2 more double crochet into the second corner. For making corner we're gonna make first 3 double crochet, then 2 chain on top, then 3 double crochet into the same chain below. After making 3 double crochet, 2 chain on top and then 3 more double crochet into the same chain for making corner. Here you see clearly my 3 double crochet ready and my corner is ready. Now for the next corner, 2 chain on top and insert your hook into the next corner like here and make first again 3 double crochet, then 2 chain on top, then again 3 double crochet into the same corner and make the second row of corner like this. First we're gonna make 3 double crochet. After making 3 double crochet we're gonna make 2 chain on top and then 3 double crochet again into the same chain below, like here. Here my corner is ready. Now for the next corner, repeat same pattern. First we're gonna make 2 chain on top, and then insert your hook into the next corner space, like here, and make first 3 double crochet. After making 3 double crochet, we're gonna make 2 chain on top and then 3 double crochet into the same chain below. One more double crochet, like this. My third and corner is ready. Now for the next corner, 3 chain on top. Here you see I already make 3 double crochet first. Now in the last we're gonna make 3 double crochet. Like in every corner we're gonna make the total of 6 double crochet, and in center space we're gonna make 3 double crochet stitches. Here my 3 double crochet in the last complete. Next we're gonna make 2 chain on top and then slip stitch into the first of double crochet, just like here. Insert your hook, pull yarn twice. After making slip stitch, chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors, like this. You see clearly how look it is. My second row is complete. You see clearly in the second row we have one space inside, like here. In this pattern we're gonna make first row with purple, second row with yellow, third row with purple again, and just repeat same pattern step by step color used in this video. Now in the third row we're gonna make same pattern with purple color of yarn. First we're gonna make slip stitch, 3 chain on top, and again 2 double crochet into the same chain below. Like in every space we're gonna make the total of 3 double crochet. In first chain we're gonna make 2, just because the 3 chain will be counted as a first double crochet. Now for the next space, 2 chain on top, and then insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first two loops, again yarn over, pull it second two loop, make 3 double crochet into the next space. After making 3 double crochet we're gonna make the total of 2 chains on top, and then we're gonna make corner pattern. Like corner pattern is, first we're gonna make 3 double crochet. After making 3 double crochet we're gonna make 2 chain on top, and then again we're gonna make 3 double crochet into the same chain below, like this. You see clearly my corner is ready. Now for the next space, again we're gonna make the total of 2 chain on top, and then we will make 3 double crochet into the next space, like this. After making 3 double crochet we're gonna make again 2 chain on top for making the space, 2 chain on top, and then we will repeat the same corner pattern. Like first we're gonna make 3 chains, like 3 double crochet stitches, 2 chain on top, and 3 double crochet stitches. Again repeat same pattern into the same space below, like this. Here you see clearly we have the total of 2 space in second row. In first row we have first space, and in second we have the total of 2. When you increase a new row you get increase a new space. You see clearly. Just repeat same pattern until you complete the total of 8 rows. Here my 8 rows complete. Now insert your hook into the last chain and pull the leftover yarn, like twice, pull it twice. In the last we're gonna make chain 1, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors, like this. Now pull the leftover yarn and secure your work tightly in the end. Next we're gonna hide the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Make sure you take the back side of the stitches, insert your hook into the stitches and pull the leftover yarn just inside it, and cut the extra yarn with scissors, like this. Here you see clearly my pattern is ready with 8 rows. Here I make the total of 3 granny square for this pattern, so just join it with together. I will show you clearly how to assemble it, like this. Make a triangle shape and just stitches with your needle. First we're gonna join the two sides like here you see we have two chain loop on top, and insert your hook into the just first chain of both granny square and just pull the yarn tightly. Here I am using crochet needle for making the stitches. Just insert your hook insert your needle and pull the yarn tightly and make the stitches and join them together until you complete this and reach in the last. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Just stitches like this on both sides and complete this row. Here I completely joined my two granny squares. Next I will show you how to assemble the third one and how to join it together like this. Make sure you take the upper side and insert your needle and pull the yarn like this. Next we're gonna again repeat the same pattern and just stitch until you complete it like this. You see clearly how look it is. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comment. Now in the last we're gonna make a knot. Just insert your needle, yarn over and just pull it tightly. Insert your needle, yarn over the needle and pull it tightly like this. Secure your work in the end. Make sure you work neat and clean. For neat and clean, hide your leftover yarn. Just insert your hook into the inside the stitches and pull the yarn inside the stitches like this. Next we're gonna cut the leftover yarn like this. Here you see clearly I completely my join 3 granny square with each other. Next we're gonna make this back strap on top. So let's get started and make it. For making the back strap, here I am using purple color of yarn. So make sure you take the first corner of the granny square like this. Here you see we have the total of 5 chains on top of the flower like here. So just hold yarn like this and fingers again. Insert your hook into the first chain. Hold yarn like this, make a slip knot, yarn over and just pull it. We're gonna make 3 chain on top, yarn over, pull it, yarn over, pull it and yarn over, pull it. Into the next chain we're gonna make double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook into the next chain, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop like this. Now in the next chain we're gonna make half double crochet stitch, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops on hook, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. Now in the next chain we're gonna make single crochet stitch, insert your hook, pull the yarn. Here we have 2 loops, yarn over, pull it into 2 loop. On the other side we're gonna make repeat same pattern. First we're gonna make half double crochet stitch in first chain, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn. Here we have 3 loops, yarn over, pull it into 3 loop. In next 2 chain we're gonna make double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. In the last chain we're gonna make again 1 double crochet, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Here you see we have a clear line. Now for the next row we're gonna make the total of 3 chains on top like this. Turn your work. Here you see we have chain on top. Next we're gonna make 1 double crochet in each chain below, yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over, pull it second 2 loop. Make 1 double crochet in each chain below until you complete this row. Just yarn over, insert your hook, pull the yarn over, pull it first 2 loops, again yarn over and pull it second 2 loop. Just at the beginning of new row we're gonna make 3 chain, turn your work, and again we will repeat the same pattern of double crochet in each chain below. Just 1 double crochet in each chain below. Don't forget any part of the video from making any mistake. If you need any question about this tutorial, let me know in the comments. Just remember 1 double crochet in each chain below, and at the beginning of new row we're gonna make 3 chain, and then we will start the pattern of 1 double crochet like this. You see clearly. Just repeat same pattern until you complete the total of strap according to your need. Here my bag strap is ready, you see clearly. Now I'm going to attach it on the other side of the corner of square, you see clearly. Now just hold it and just repeat same pattern of first row stitches. Now in the first chain we're gonna make slip stitch and then 3 chain on top. Now in the next chain we're gonna make 1 double crochet stitch. In the next we're gonna make half double crochet stitch and then single crochet. Now just repeat on the other side. First we're gonna make half double crochet stitch in first chain, and in the last 2 chain we're gonna make 1 double crochet stitch in each chain below, like the total of 2 double crochet in the last. After completing this chain 1 on top, pull the yarn over and just cut it with your scissors like this. Now pull the leftover yarn and secure your work in the end. For making your work neat and clean, hide the leftover yarn, insert your hook into the stitches and pull the leftover yarn inside the stitches. Here you see clearly my work look neat and clean after completing this part. The completed tote bag is ready with 3 granny square. This is the beginner friendly tutorial. So subscribe my YouTube channel for more crochet ideas. Stay with me for my next crochet tutorial. See you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.